Ito siya sa mga VIP. Next hata, Mamayrin, present.
Say sex!
Ma'am!
9. Boy, 9, 6. What's that, 9?
Ang ato ang host for today's video.
6, 9.
7 8 O gang 10 Asa atong Bible?
Wala pa. Daron mga igsoon ko di akan Kristo.
Sino? Wag ka mga pretty. Hi, ka mga pretty.
We are seeing and experiencing a reflection of joy and happiness from our candylighters. No doubt, it gives them a feeling of enthusiasm because it elevates them to a step higher into their course.
Ezra S. Matiga. April Me F. Madilo. Trisha Micaela L. Lico. Irene Shane Laikar Guyo. Lee Jensen R. Port. Marie Grace P. Coso. Alona P. Colo. Retzel May A. Costillas, Shinaylene M. Conchas, Janine A. Castaños, Joanna May Y. Casañares, Nicole P. Casas, Charity B. Calvo, Francis Elia M. Calma, May L. Arzaga, Rod B. Abarca. Followed by the faculty and staff, we have Eva Apatan, Emma P. Bago, Amy Grace Wizard, Jana S. Lanaria, Irene Evelyn Altorino, our nurse Los B. Marino,
Christmas.
our school dean administrator Dr. Rominda.
It emphasizes the application of the healthcare process, which includes assessment.
At the Elisa R. Ochoa Memorial Northern Mindanao School of Midwifery, Incorporated, to look for light. The light we could pass on to others who will follow our pursuits. With diligence, perseverance, we carefully listen to lectures given by our instructors.
Midwifery uniform. The white midwifery uniform symbolizes purity of intentions for service and love for humanity, and the realization of radical responsibility in upholding the true.
Miss Irene Evelyn Altorino. And of course, our sentinel nurse, Luz B. Marino. City, Villa Marie B. Bermodo, Porto Upper Barangay Dungan, Butuan City.
Kangit po kayo. Ayaw tagilid. Mga pretty.
Shinaylene M. Conchas, di Casaba, Santa Ana, Nasipit, City, Marie Grace B. Cusong, Purok 2, Barangay Ampayon, Butuan. Trisha Micaela L. Lico, Purok 2B. Yakananga, Butuan City. Erlen Joy M. Mangkumihan, Purok 2, Simbalan, Buena Vista, Agusan del Oliveros, Purok 2, Barangay 4, Buena Vista, Agusan del Norte. Yvonne Eden S. Usigan, Purok 1, Tolosa, Cabanbaran City, City. Francis Denver B. Santiago, Libertad Jail Road, Butuan City. Althea Saisi N. Pinglet, may its radiant touch each one of you, kindling you the immortal flame of knowledge and understanding.
Ma'am Irene, mag-pray pa daw.
I-vlog na itong dilin, ma'am.
Individual na lang ang prayer.
Ma'am Irene, i-vlog na mo, ma'am.